Western Water is government-owned and provides water, recycled water and sewerage services to our community. Our service region is one of the fastest growing in the state and covers 4 local council areas, including the City of Hume, City of Melton, Macedon Ranges Shire and Moorabool Shire. Our assets spread across these 4 council areas include 7 water filtration plants, 7 recycled water plants, 17 chlorination plants, 35 water storage tanks, 42 water pump stations, 70 sewer pump stations, 1,481 kilometres of sewer mains, and 2,283 kilometres of water mains. We have 194 staff members working together to keep all of these assets running smoothly. You may or may not yet know what career path you want to follow. There are so many options to consider. Did you know we employ a diverse workforce with careers available in many fields, including engineering and asset management, plumbing and trades, treatment plant operations and water quality, customer service, public relations, information technology, regulation and planning, environment, human resources, risk management and business development. We are proud of our ability to offer an inclusive, diverse, innovative and collaborative workplace. We provide many opportunities to continue learning on the job, to change roles or move sites, take on leadership roles, undertake further training, professional development and enhance qualifications. But exactly what do these jobs look like? What do they involve? What qualifications do you need? Well, let's ask some of our team.
I'm William from Western Water. I'm a project engineer. I've been at Western Water since July 2018.
My name is Erin O'Connell. I'm the Treatment Support Advisor at Western Water and I've been at Western Water for about 2 years now.
My name's Dean Phillips. I'm the Water Treatment Coordinator at Western Water and I've been with the company for about 8 years.
I'm Vina. I'm a laboratory technician here at Melton RWP and I've been working here 7 years. My day-to-day activity involves taking sample around the plant and at the same time doing testing. We also test samples from different treatment plants such as Woodend, Romsey, Riddles Creek, Gisborne and Bacchus Marsh.
My role entails looking after 2 operational teams, so I look after 9 operators. So day to day, I'm out and about making sure that they're clear on what needs to be done and also going to certain assets that are being upgraded at the moment and dealing with major projects.
So I do lots of things in my role. One of the main things I do is reporting. So I do a lot of internal and external reporting, some of which is to the Department of Environment, Land, Water and Planning, some to Bureau of Meteorology.
So in summary, my role is about supporting operators, delivering to projects and giving seamless maintenance throughout the company.
The things I enjoy most about my role is getting outside and going to some pretty nice places in the Macedon Ranges and also working with a pretty good like-minded team who are very technically skilled.
I think the thing I most enjoy about my role is the people that I work with and the managers I have. I also enjoy just the data analysis part of my job. I like working with numbers.
I'd like the nature of my role. It's because it's a hands-on, it's not a boring job.
I love the opportunity of investing back into the community and I find that everyone has a common goal within the company and it's great working towards that.
There are times that there's a normal day that everything's working well, but there are times that something happens to the plant and you have to do additional testing.
So initially when I first started, I think it was just finding the right information. But what I've learned is just gathering the right information from the correct resources, and from that you can do pretty much anything.
My role has forced me to get a lot better at time management because I'm juggling so many different data points and communication with so many different people.
The most challenging things I find about my role is growth at the moment. So Melton, Bacchus Marsh and Sunbury, as well as Rockbank, are growing extremely fast. So keeping up with them every summer is quite challenging. There's also climate change. So our reservoirs don't fill the way that they used to. So that has implications to the quality of the water that we have to treat. So it's very hard to keep the taste consistent.
So at uni I studied a Bachelor of Engineering Chemical with honours, and then I studied a Bachelor of Science in Applied Chemistry. So growing up I was always interested about little things making big things, so that was the engineering side, but I was always very curious about how little things connected up. So I'm talking through the chemistry side of things, and I think pairing those together I've got a real enjoyment out of my university studies.
I studied a double degree, a Bachelor of Chemical Engineering and a Bachelor of Science Biotechnology. So I didn't start off in that degree. The first degree I started off in was a Bachelor of Aerospace Engineering. That degree was too technology focused, so I decided to swap courses and go with my other love, which is chemistry and biology.
So when I was at year 9, I was interested to do laboratory activity. So my interest started during that time. So I asked my teacher, what did you do in university? So she told me I took up chemical engineering. So from then on, that makes me get that course. So now I'm a chemical engineer.
At university I studied a Bachelor's of Chemical Engineering and another one in Applied Chemistry. I study them because I like to do maths and chemistry at school, so I wasn't very sure what I wanted to do at uni. I was kind of guided by the subjects that I enjoyed at high school.
So going forward I'd like to utilise more of my engineering degree and start working more with the treatment plants.
I am being trained to be, to do the water quality side of things.
Continuing on, I think I'd really like to do a bit more research and hands-on work.
For women who wants to be in a STEM career, so it doesn't matter if the job that you want to be in is more on the masculine side. As long as you wanted to do the job and you'll be happy to do it and you have interest in doing it, I think you just have to go for it.
As a female that does work in engineering, I've definitely found over my very short time that it does get easier. I'm definitely not there yet. I've only been working for two years, but there are a lot more women doing engineering, especially if more women take up STEM courses.
My advice for people at school would be, you're only 16, 17, 18, so don't be too concerned if you don't know what you do yet, but think about the things that you enjoy doing, the subjects you like doing at high school, and try and use them to help pick a course that you'd like to do at uni.
I think it's important to realise that in year 12, there might be something that you want to do, and at the end of the day you don't enjoy that, and that's fine. I was so set on being in aerospace engineering from about year 9 all the way up through to year 12. It's the only thing I looked at doing. I didn't look at doing anything else, and I'm not even anywhere near in that job at the moment. And I still got here in the end. It doesn't matter what you start off doing. It's just most important that you end up doing what you really love.
Yeah, just do what you are interested with. For example, for me, I'm interested in chemistry, so I did chemical engineering, or do laboratory work because that's what I'm interested in.
It's just all about what you're passionate about. With anything with dedication, you can put your mind to doing almost anything. I know with year 12 there's a lot of pressure in getting a good ATAR, but if you've got a goal, there's definitely other methods to get to that goal that you're after. Western Water has seen my passion. They've helped me grow within the company, and they've given me great opportunities to try other things in other positions.
I'd recommend Western Water for anyone looking to start off in the industry. It's a small company, which means that you get lots of opportunities to do a broad range of things, and a lot of them align with STEM.